Hi friends, you are a new viewer for our channel. Please subscribe our channel and touch the bell icon. This kind of good videos will come to your mobile as a notification.
Hi friends, welcome to our channel. This is your Srinivas. Welcome to Good Station of Navodaya classes 2021 entrance exam for the 6th class admission. Friends, students, you see here, today our topic is square and square root, cube and cube root. Yeah, what a interesting chapter, and compulsory they are giving 2 to 3 questions in every exam. Now friends, if you know the square of numbers up to 30, 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 5 square 25, 16 square 256, 25 square 625, 29 square 841, 30 square 900, like that. Cube of numbers up to 10, minimum 10, 1 square 1 cube 1, 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, 5 cube 125, 8 cube 512, 9 cube 729, 10 cube 1000. Like this cube of numbers up to 10, square of numbers up to 30 there in your mind, this chapter will be easy. Okay na? Now just you practice literally, then you can attempt all the questions without any tension. Now let us see the question number 1. Square root of 4096. I told you no? Right. The cube root of 9261. Like these questions are coming. If you know the idea, otherwise I will tell the technique. The technique you should follow that. 4090. Do you know the mantra? LCM mantra? Yes, you do that. 4096 LCM. Square root means we should get equal power 2. Square of numbers. Equal square of. Cube root means you can get power 3's. Equal number of power 3's. That is the one idea. Here, 2 2 ja, 2 20 ja 40, 2 4 ja 8, 1 remainder 16, 2 8 ja 16. Then followed by 2 1 ja 0, 2 2 ja 2 4 ja. X we followed it. 2 5 ja 10, 2 1 ja 2 2 ja, like that. 2 2 ja 4, 1 remainder, 1 1 11. 2 5 ja 10, again 1 remainder 12, 2 6 ja 12. 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 4, 2 8 ja. 2 6 ja 2 4 ja. 2 3 ja 2 2 ja. 2 1 ja 2 6 ja. 2 8 ja. 2 4 ja 2 2 ja 2 1 ja. Finish. Now how many twos? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Yes. So we can write here square root of number. 2 to the power of 12 actually. We are getting 2 to the power of 12. 3, 6, 9, 12. Here what is the question? Square root. Square root. Square root. So 2 to the power of 12, root value 1 by 2. 2 1 ja 2 6 ja. So 2 to the power of 6 is nothing but 2 into 2, 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 32 to the 64. So 2 to the power of 66 is nothing but 64. Okay, this is the way we have to do in the exam time. But this is not good way for competitive exam. Traditional method, this is okay. But what about competitive exam? Answer to the question. Yes, what is the unit digit here? 6. Unit digit 6. Here what are the unit digits? We can multiply. Square means you can double it. 74 4 ja 16. Unit digit 6 will come. Maybe it is. 4 square 4 into 4 16. Unit digit 6 will come. 6 square 6 6 ja 36. Unit digit 6 calculate. 3 square 3 3 are 9. It is not a option. It is not a option. Next second option 74. Friends, you know 74 4 you remove it. In 74 you remove it approximately 70. 70 into 70 how much? 4900. What is the question? 4000. So it is so far. It is so far. It is also not a option. Next is these two. Now I should check it 64 into 64. 4 4 ja 16 carry 1, 4 6 are 24 plus 5 26. Next 6 4 ja 24 carry 2, 6 6 are 36 plus 2 38. Yes, got it. 4096 got it. Our answer is 64. Like this also we can go with analysis of the answer to the questions. Okay, you can do this it is lengthy process means this the analysis you can go analysis. This is not a direct different option. It is so far option. Nearest option these two. You can check it, multiply it. Square means double. You can multiply 2 times. Then you will get the question. Okay. Next, good. Find the cube root of 9261. Again you can do LCM method. 9261. Okay. 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja, because unit digit is 1, you can start with the 3, 3 3 ja 9. Okay na? 3 7 3 8 ja 24, 2 remember, 3 7 ja 21. So here we can take direct two numbers, no, that is the reason we can take 3 30 ja 90, 3 8 ja 24, 2 remainder, 2 3 7 ja 21. Don't take 3 8 7 because we have to take 26. Two numbers directly means we can should add the 0, add the 0. Next 3 10 ja 30, 3 2 ja 6, again 2 remember, remainder pakkana 7 got 27, 3 9 ja 27. Next 3 3 ja 9, 1 remainder, 4 3 4 ja 12, 3 3 ja. Next 3 4 3 will come, we can get the idea 7 cube. So 7 4 ja 28, 7 9 ja 7 7 ja. So 3 3s, 7 3s. Now 3 common here nama. So 3 into 7 inside. 3 common, power common, 3 into 7 inside. What is the question? Cube root. Cube root. Cube root. Here square root, here cube root. This cube get cancelled. 3 7 21. Finish answer. But it is no need for examination style. You should go with answer to the question. First 9,000. This is what? 22. 20 into 20 into 20, 8,000. This is what? 9,000. Option. Next 21. 21 into 21, 441. I told you, square of numbers up to 13, it is there in your mind. This is you can write directly. Otherwise, multiply it. Next again, you can do one more 21 times because this cube 3 times. 1 1 ja 1, 1 4 ja 4, 1 4 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8, 2 4 ja 8. Yes, 9,261. Yes, आ गया. This number आ गया. So answer will be 21. This is the way we can do that answer. And one more important technique I will tell you. One more very seconds answer I will tell you. Let us see. In this question only, third model. 4 here 4 unit digit, here 3, here 1, here 2, here unit digit 1. If you multiply 3 times, you should get unit digit 1. 4 cube, 4 4 ja 16, 16 4 ja 64. Here 4 not there. It's not a option. Here unit digit 3, 3 into 3 into 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27, 7. Here 1. It is not a option. Here 1, 1 into 1 into 1, 1 only. Here 1, there 1. Tally it. The answer is direct answer. Okay, got it? Next, simplify this question. Simple. Square root of numbers up to 30 you know very well. Then it is answer is easy. Square root of 169, 13. Square root of 144, 12. Square root of 196, 14. So square root of 169 value 13. Square root of 144 value 12 minus square root of 196, 14. 13 plus 12, 25. Minus 14, nothing but 11. So here option is 11. Easy na? How it is easy, dear children? So my request is that you are understanding these techniques not only for Navodaya, in your future competitive exams, this kind of techniques useful for you. You do one thing, you have to share these videos to your friends and your siblings, your school groups, and you have to do subscribe our channel. Then you will get this kind of good videos for you. Up to before the exam, one day also we are sending the good videos for you, which is useful for your exam. Now you will give your valuable comments also. Now let us see one more question. Simplify 256 whole to the power of 3 by 4. In such cases, such type of questions, so this is your logic. Oh, your denominator is 4. The inside value must have the power that made that value. Here denominator is 4. The inside value also have the power. Cap will be that much. So 256 power, can I write like this? 4 to the power of 4. Because 256 we can do LCM with 4 table. It will get 4 times. 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. Next here 3 to the power 3 by 4. 4 4 cancel. 4 cube. 4 cube. 4 into 4 into 4. 64. Finish the answer. Yes, got it? Here 2 will be there. You write 16 square. Because here denominator how much is the? That value should be as a power of inside the bracket. Remember. Got it? For suppose 121 whole to the power of 3 by 2. For suppose I am doing my example. Here power 2 will be there. Compulsory the power will be 2 inside the bracket value. So that means 11 square. It will come definitely. 3 by 2. Cancel. 11 cube. 11 power 3. 11 into 11 into 11. 1331. That option will be there in that question. Okay? Got it? Next. A school collected Rs 2304 rupees from its students if each student paid as many paisa as there were students in the school. How many students are there? That many paisa they are collected. How many students were there in the school? Okay, the number of students, number of contribution amount, both are same. This is x, this is x. This is equals 2304 rupees. Rupees converted into paisa. We know 1 rupee consists 100 paisa. So 2304 into 100 means s 2,30,400. X into x, x square. X square equals this value. You want x. X equals to square root of 2,30,400. But many students they don't know square root of this number. Logic is important. Here 2 zeros comes outside. Square root of 100 like that. You can think like this is 100. This you can keep your square root. You divide the number. 2304 one number. 100 is the one number. Square root of 100 10. And means 1 0 will come outside. What about 2304 perfect square? Yes, it is very nearest to the 2500. 2500 means 250. 25 means 50. 2500 means 50 into 50, 25. 50 back number 49 and 48. Where is 48? Finish answer. You check it. You check it now. 480 into 480. I said no, 2 zeros you write separate. These 2 zeros you write separate. 8 8 ja 64 carry 6. 8 4 ja 32 plus 6 38. Next. With 4 8 ja 32 carry 3. 4 4 ja 16 plus 3 19. You now write 2 zeros as it is. Mil gaya. This answer will get 230400. Got it? Which is the perfect number? 480. I am not doing anything. Just idea. Just I am doing my idea is what? 2300 very nearest to the perfect square of value 2500. 2500 we are getting 50 into 50. But here 2500 not there, no? Back number means maybe 49. But 48. But 49 means 9 9 81. Unit digit 1. Here unit digit 4. Next 48. 8 8 is 64. There unit digit 4. Here unit digit 4. They may be 100% 48. So 48. 48 into 48 you can multiply, check it. Like this you will get this question. How it is easy, children. Big question, smart solution. Now let us see one more interesting question. 5 seconds answer I will give to you this question. A man plants his orchard with 729 trees and arranges them 50 that there are as many rows as many trees in a row. Rows and trees are same. Then how many rows are there? Simple. What is the question? 729. X into x, x square like that. Square root. Here also square root. Now check the options. Unit digit is what? 9. I want to get unit digit 9. If you do multiply these all. 8 square 64. Unit digit 8 square 64. Here 4 it is not tally. It is not an option. 7 square 49. Unit digit is what? 9. Here unit digit what in the question? 9. Tally. This is the answer. Check it. Correct or not? Check it. 27 into 27 amma. 7 7 ja 49 carry 4 7 2 ja 14 plus 4 18 into 2 7 ja 14 carry 1 2 2 ja 4 plus 1 5 9 2 1 1 5 6 7. Like this you can solve all the answers. How it is easy. Now let us see more interesting questions. The question number 7. Simplify and find the value of root 28 into root 24 by root 42 into root 8. Root of a by b nothing but root a by root b. Here 2 roots are there, nothing. You can write them simple. Take one single root, you write. 28 by 42 into 24 by 8. All numbers at a time you write under the one square root. Now all are even number. 8 1 ja, 8 3 ja. 8 1 ja, 8 3 ja, 24. Again 3 will come possible to 42. 3 1 ja, 3 1 ja 3, 1 will be there, 3 4 ja. And that means 3 1 ja, 3 14 ja 42. 3 14 ja, what is the beauty? Now 14 1 ja, 14 2 ja. So final answer root 2. Finish. Simple amma. You see how did I do this answer? 8 1 ja, 8 3 ja. 3 1 ja, 3 14 ja. 14 1 ja, 14 2 ja. Root 2. Complete it. But somebody is saying, oh, this is a dangerous problem. No, simple answer. Right? When it is possible, seeing this our technique, our channel, then it will be easy. Maths is made easy. Right? Next friends, root 36. Root 36 value 6. Here, what is the value? 7. Which value you have to put it here to get 7? 49. 49. Root 49. 7. Yes, your answer is correct. If you do 64, 8 will come. 81 will come. Here 81 keep it here. 9 will come. Here 121 keep it here. 11 will come. 49 only fit for this answer. Root 49 value 7. That's it. Okay. Next. Find the least number which must be subtracted to make it 175 be a perfect square. Must be perfect means 175 nearest perfect square value is 175, 174, 173, 172, 171, 170, 169. Yes, 169 is a perfect square. 13, 30 there. So how many numbers we have to do subtract here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, you can subtract it. 6 from 175 you will get 169. So 175 minus 6, 169. It's a perfect square. Okay. Now 27 into 243 is equals to dash. The options are all in base is 3, and that means we can write the numbers in the as powers. 27 can be written as 3 power 3. 243 can be written as 3 power of 5. How would I know 243 3 power? 3 8 ja, 3 1 ja. 3 8 ja 24, 3 1 ja. 3 2 ja 6, 2 remainder 21, 3 7 ja. 3 9 ja, 3 3 ja. So 1 2 3 4 5. 3 power 5. Now base are equal, take one base as a common, power should be added. 3 plus 5, 8. 3 power 8. Okay. Next, last question. Now 11th question. The least number which must be subtracted 4931 to make it perfect square. Here you can subtract 100. Answer to question. 4900 minus 100. 4930 minus 100. 138. 4831 does not have any perfect square value in our maths. Now 31. 4931 you do subtract 31. 0 0 9. Yes, 49 perfect square. 49 is a perfect square. 49 means 70 into 70. 4900. So perfect answer is 39. Like this answer to question also you can do it. Okay na? Do subtract 31 from this you will get 4900. 4900 have a perfect square, but 4800 not have any perfect square. Right? Next, find the value of 0.081 into 0.484 by 0.0064 into 6.25. Simple. First you have to convert the decimal into fractions. 81. Point means 1. Point after how many numbers? 3 numbers. 3 zeros. Into 484. Here also 3. 3 zeros. Point means 1 point after 3 numbers. By 64. 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. Point after 4 zeros. Into 625. Point means 1. Point after 2 zeros. Now 81 by 1000 into 484 by 1000. These reciprocal. This denominator convert into means these all are going to reciprocal. 10,000 by 64, 100 by 625. This value will be reciprocal. 3 zeros cancel. And 2 zeros cancel. Here one more 0. 1 0, this 0 cancel. So all zeros will cancel. Now root, these are all are under the square root. Root 81, 9. Root 484. Perfect square up to 30, you know, root 484, 22. By root 80, 64, 8. 625, 25. Right? Now 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 11 ja. 9 into 11 99, 25 into 4 100. When the denominator is having zeros, the point will comes to back that many times. Here 2 zeros are there, that point will move 2 steps. 1 2, point will be rise, so 0.9. When the denominator is having 2 0, the point moves 2 steps back. 1 0 1 step, 3 0 3 steps. In division, in into, it will move forward. In division, it will move backward. Remember friends, here the answer will be 0.9. Got it? And this problem also we have to do in shortcut also. No need to this lengthy method. Okay, now direct answer. Here 3 numbers after point, here 3 numbers, total 6. Here 4 numbers, here 2 numbers. Numerator 6 digits back, points will be there, denominator 6 digits. So no need to take the decimal. Direct answer. 81, 9, 484, 22, 64, 8, 625, 25. 2 4 ja, 2 11 ja. 99 by 100. 99 by 100 nothing but 0.99. Finish answer. How it is easy, dear friends. Easy na? Nothing to work, just 2 steps. 10 seconds. Now I hope that you are enjoying my class today. I am very happy you have to understand, and you do, if you are understand means give comment and like and share to your friends and your school groups, siblings, your family members. Till then, practice well, my dear friends, my dear students. Bye bye. Jai Hind.